In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When your app is ready, open it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout over here to make sure Infinite is on. When you're ready, go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then you need to edit your shortcuts. In order to do that, tap on pen icon at the top right corner. Hit edit over here and look for Caffeine shortcut under available buttons. As you can see, mine is over here. Now you need to add it to your current ones. In order to do that, hold it, drag it and place it wherever you want to. When you're ready, let go. Then select Done at the top right corner twice to save your changes. So once and the second time. Finally, you can click on your new Caffeine shortcut and use gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Then go back, access Tap menu again and click on your shortcut, this time to activate it. As you can see, mine is white, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!